If your Bluetooth device does not work properly on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, here's what you can do to try to solve your issues. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna proceed to connections, and we're gonna start by going to Bluetooth. First of all, we can just simply turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. Sometimes this simple trick does the work, and you can solve some of the issues with connectivity. Besides that, if that doesn't work, you can turn off Bluetooth, turn off your Bluetooth device as well, then turn Bluetooth back on, and then turn your Bluetooth device back on as well, just like that. And then hopefully you might be able to either reconnect to your network, or you can try to pair it again. Of course, if your Bluetooth device was already connected in the past to your phone, but now it doesn't want to connect properly, what you might want to do is simply put the Bluetooth device back into the pairing mode and try to pair one more time without even unpairing. But if that doesn't work, then of course you can first unpair the device, turn off Bluetooth device once again and turn it back on, and then put it into the pairing mode if you can, and try to simply pair the device one more time. Remember that you can use the scan button here in the upper right corner to refresh the list of available devices in case you cannot see your Bluetooth device on this list. Sometimes you might need to wait slightly a longer time before you can actually detect your device. Sometimes you have to refresh even a couple of times when the phone doesn't want, for some reason, to find the Bluetooth device, but eventually you should be able to actually find it and use it on your phone. Another thing that you can consider is simply factory resetting your Bluetooth device. You can hard reset your Bluetooth device. Unfortunately, I cannot really show you how to do that with your Bluetooth device. You will have to look up the manual, the user manual of your device. And once you do that, of course, you can try to pair with your phone one more time. This might be especially a useful thing to do for devices that don't really have a pairing button or pairing mode per se. So you might need to actually perform the factory reset instead. And if none of this actually helps, what you can also do is you can go back to settings menu. Over here, we're gonna scroll down and go to general management. Next, we're gonna go to reset in here, and then in reset settings, we have reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and you want to reset all these two settings. Unfortunately, you cannot separate Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so if you decide to reset Bluetooth settings, you will also reset Wi-Fi as well, which means that you will have to not only pair your Bluetooth devices again with your S26 Ultra, but also you will have to connect to your Wi-Fi networks again too. Once you do the reset, just go back to Bluetooth settings and try to pair your device again. And last but not least, you can also just simply restart your phone. You can go, let's say, through the quick settings panel to the power menu, and then you can just restart your phone and see if that helps. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.